Hey, welcome back to Slide Science, where we break down science like it's your favorite snack, crunchy, delicious, and easy to digest. Today, we're diving into a weirdly satisfying part of biology, classification. Yep, it's like organizing your closet, but instead of shirts and shoes, we're grouping snakes, mushrooms, kangaroos, and even tiny, jumpy rodents. Let's go. So what even is classification? Simple. It's the process of grouping living things based on what they have in common, like how yeasts and mushrooms are both fungi, because they sit still, don't photosynthesize, and honestly are kinda chill. Classification is the science world's way of saying, hey, you look alike, you must be cousins. Why do we bother doing this? Well, classification helps us organize the crazy variety of life on Earth, speak the same language across the globe without yelling, what's this thing? Understand who's related to who, think of it like a massive ancient family drama, and it's super helpful for research, saving species, and pretending we have control over nature. Now, let's talk about the family tree, or as scientists call it, the phylogenetic tree. It shows who's related to whom, and trust me, it has plot twists. Like, did you know horseshoe crabs are related to spiders and scorpions? Yep, turns out your beach buddy is a distant cousin of that web-spinning basement dweller. Biology is basically a soap opera. Here's where the fun begins, the dichotomous key. This tool is like playing 20 questions, but science-y. You answer yes or no to each question and slowly narrow down your mystery creature. Does it lay eggs? Yes. Does it have feathers? No. Does it wear sunglasses? Okay, no, not that one, but you get the idea. It's all about contrasting characteristics. Super useful and weirdly satisfying. Benefits. So what's in it for us? We get to understand biodiversity better. We discover new species. Hello, glow-in-the-dark sea cucumber. We can name organisms that don't even have Instagram handles yet. And we help protect the planet one organized creature at a time. Drawbacks of classification. But hey, nothing's perfect, right? Sometimes it's confusing. Organisms evolve, mutate, and play dress-up. It can get subjective, like arguing if tomato is a fruit or vegetable. And sometimes things look related but aren't. Like how dolphins and sharks both swim, but one's a fish and the other's a mammal that needs a nap. Classification has its drama too. All right, Brainiacs, here's the lowdown. Classification, grouping organisms based on shared traits. Why? Because the world is wild and messy and we like tidy boxes. How? Using tools like the dichotomous key, the science version of a detective game. And that wraps it up, science style, with a side of humor, only here on Slide Science. Like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to classify your snacks. You know, cookies go in the top drawer. Catch you in the next one.